Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 8th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, we had FOMC interest rate news yesterday for the dollar, and gold definitely took it as negative, as you can see. But actually, it's a very, very clear pattern to me. I mean, this is literally what I was saying was going to happen yesterday. Also, I said it looked like it was going to go up and grab these highs before it goes down. You can check yesterday's video for that. But it literally played out exactly as we played. So A, B, C down to a Fibonacci level. Now we need to see an engulfing move to the upside to go long. I still think it's going to go up and take these highs. I still am looking at the 278, 261 as a target, right around the $3,500 area. I mean, it more than likely is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 to come. Once that's over, there probably is a pretty good chance that we will get a big move to the downside. But with gold, we do have to be careful because the higher time frames are definitely still in a very, very strong uptrend, which means you never know. Like I was talking about yesterday in my live stream, I mean, a year from now, gold could potentially be at $4,500 an ounce. So we definitely can't rule out the possibility of gold just being in the middle of a big uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.